Hello everyone, my name is Viswamohan Singh. Today I am going to present my project related to mathematics in daily life, and it is basically a game. And now see what a game it is. So the name of the game is Penny Game. The penny game is a binary sequence generating game between two players of head and tail. Player A select a sequence of heads and tails of length 3 or larger and shows this sequence to player B. And then player B selects another sequence of heads and tails of the same length. Subsequently, a pair coin is tossed until either player A or player B sequence appears as a consecutive subsequence of the coin toss outcomes. The player whose sequence appears first will win the game. So, you must have heard from many peoples in casino or other games in the sequential games also they have won many times or a single person won many times. So, what is the main trick behind that? And we are going to learn about that today. So basically, the objective of our project is to make a probability trick that will help you to win in sequence games, and you can trick other peoples and your friends. So basically in this game, player A and B will choose a sequence of their choice of 3 coins of head and tails. Let player A choose tails, tails, head, and then player B choose head, tails, tails. Now we will toss the coin and see who will win. So reduce our time. We will take only 5 times in a row. I mean in a round we will toss only 5 coins, and the chosen sequence if appears in the round, the player will win. Then we will toss the coin. So after tossing the coin, we will get the result is as follows. In the round 1 the result is heads, heads, tails, tails, heads. In the round 2, it is tails, 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 head. So basically, we can clearly see that player 2 win the first round and player 1 has win the second round. So let's stopping here. I have observed a pattern, and many of you have said that is luck dependent. Oh, it's not. Player 2 is too clever. He has used a very sequential trick here after seeing the player 1 choose. So let's see what's the trick here in the next page. Provided sequence of at least 3 are used, the second player B has an edge over the starting player A. This is because the game is non-transitive, such that for any given sequence of length 3 or longer, one can find other sequences that are highly probability of occurring first. And here you can see that if the player 1 will choose heads, 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 then the player 2 will definitely choose tails, heads, heads because it has a winning of 7 by 8, that is 87.5%. If player 1 will choose tails, heads, heads, then the player 2 will choose tails, tails, heads, that has winning chance of 2 by 3, that is 67%. If the player 1 will choose tails, 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 then the player 2 will choose sorry if the player 1 will choose tails, heads, tails, then the player 2 will choose tails, tails, head. Then it has also the chance of 2 by 3, that is 67% of winning. If the player 1 will choose tails, tails, head, then the player 2 will choose heads, tails, tails. It has more chance, that is 3 by 4, that is 75%. If the player 1 will choose tails, 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 it is not worth using because player 2 will definitely choose heads, tails, tails, that has winning percentage of 87.5%, that is 7 out of 8. If player 1 will choose heads, tails, tails, then player 2 will choose heads, heads, tails. So player 2 will win 2 by 3, that is 67%. So if player 1 will choose heads, tails, heads, then the player 2 will choose heads, heads, tails. That has also chance of 2 by 3%, 2 by 3, that is 67%. If the player 1 will choose heads, heads, tails, then the player 2 will choose tails, heads, heads. So you can see the symmetry following here, that is 67%, 75% and 87.5%, and the player 2 have the great chance of winning this because he has chosen after the first and has the greater impact over that, and we can also follow it with 3 or more than 3 number sequence. So, as discussed, player B have used the trick as explained before and has more chance of winning before player 1. And by observing the table, you will get to know that it is not a trick but a mathematical probability, and it will help you to beat someone in these type of games. You can also see in the table the chance of player B in the sequence will be high, more than player A. An easy way to remember the sequence is for the player 2 to start with the opposite of the middle choice of the first player, then follow it with the first two choices. So for the first player choice of 1, 2, 3, the second player must choose not 2, 1 and 2 when not to is the opposite of the second choice of the first player. The intuitive explanation for this result in that is any case that the sequencing is not immediately the first player's choice, the chances for the first player getting the sequence beginning the opening two choices are usually the chance that the second player will be getting their full sequence. So the second player will most likely finish before the first player. So that's the trick. So let us interpret our results. We clearly observe that this math trick is clearly being explained how to use. We can use these games in casino, roulette wheels, sequence games, mathematical quiz, lottery tickets, or many more things by just changing the value and the number and the probability options and checking upon them. Now you wonder how we can use in all these. We need to arrange everything and it is too hard. So the optimal strategy for the first player for any length of the sequence number less than 4, it is to choose head tails tails till the end, and last is with heads and heads. So the k minus 3t square in the which the second player's maximal odds of winning is 2 to the power k minus 1 plus 1 is to the ratio 2 to the power k minus 2 plus 1. So that is how we can easily find other numbers and the other games tricks. So you can now try it with friends and families. Now it's time to say goodbye and thank you for being a patient listener and learn every day. Thank you.